false. So when I run the program, that should all be enabled. That should all be false. Okay, that's how it looks now. But I think there's going to be a problem if I click on reset. All of these will become reset. Let's see we enter something here. There. Okay, this one still stays. Okay, let's come right in here. Inside the resets, yeah. And see, there's no reset there. So let's come right in here and just come in here. LBL.text equals there. Let's modify. Let's copy that. That's customize. Yeah. It's another 3 to go. That's for the GPS. Let's go for the leather interior. Then one more. LBL stereo. There, that's taken care of. Now, what about these ones? We need the name of that, sales, and this is trade. Dot text equals and finally we have trade. Let's try that again. We need trade. For that, get rid of this. That's LBL trade, and that'll be 0 as well. Yeah. So that's the reset. I think we should reset these ones as well. Yeah, we need to reset this. Make the check false. Back in the code, and right underneath here, let's say dot checked equals false. Right. I'm gonna copy that. CHK customize was false. CHK GPS false. CHK letter set false. And one more. CHK modify. No. Stereo. CHK stereo. Right there. So have a good look at the reset. Those are the lines of code for reset. Now that that is done, let's come in here now. Double click on modify. Inside modify, let's say if CHK modify dot check equals true, then what is the name of that? Okay, it's modify. LBL modify. Let's just give that our own price. LBL modify the text equals. So to modify the car, maybe we can go for 500 plus. So we need to also enable LBL modify dot enable. We really don't need it since it's a text box, but it's alright. Enable equals true. Okay, but supposing we have another option, else okay, let's say okay, else if it's false, this becomes 0 and this becomes false. Okay guys, you get the whole idea. So if I run it, okay, if we click on this, that is what we get the price tag there. Okay, we just need to repeat the same thing for these ones. Right, so let's do that now. Then before we take care of the total. Okay, come right down here. We've taken care of this. Now let's take care of this variable, this other one, stereo, and exactly the same thing. I'm just gonna copy and change. Let's change the names. So that's stereo. Okay, I'll just speed that up down. That I suppose you guys get the whole idea. So the cost of the stereo might go for about 1,000 plus for that kind of car. Yeah. So let's speed that up. Okay, I've actually speed it up. This is how it looks. Okay, have a good look at this line of codes. Alright, so all of that is taken care of, and that's the reset. So all that's left for us to do now is to double click on the total. While inside the total, I'm going to declare the following. So let's say, let's give it car cost equals new double, and I'm going to make that, let's go for maybe 12 right there. So I've declared 12 arrays. So let's say the first one, car cost, which is the 0, let's say equals convert dot, let's say dot to double, right? And what I want in there is LBL. Yeah, let's go for modify dot text. So whatever we have inside modify is assigned to array 0. So you get the whole idea. So let's speed that up right there, guys. So what I will then do is let's create another. Okay, let's create an array here as well, and in here this very array will be where I will add all of these values. So let's say this value, okay, plus that will be 1, 2, plus all these other ones. So that will be 1, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, and there's one more, plus car cost 6 there. Now I'm going to need another car cost that will calculate my, let this one calculate my tax. Just make up the tax. Let's say the tax equals that multiplied by 0.45 and then divided by 100. So that should be the tax. Right there. Okay. That's supposed to be 7. Right. That's good. Now, let's come for LBL subtotal here. Dot text equals string dot format. That is going to be 0 column C2. So that's going to give us 2 decimal place, and close it here. No. Alright, that's fine. So comma right here, we need this. Copy this, paste this in here. That is for subtotal. Now that of LBL tax. LBL tax dot text equals as follows. So I'm going to copy all of this, paste that in here, and tax will be 8. Okay. Now let's look for LBL total. As for LBL total, we're gonna have to add those two. Plus car cost array number 8. Okay, let's put them in bracket to make it look decent. Yeah, I think that would do. So this should take care of the total. So if I run the program now, let's see how it's going to look like. Okay, that's the system. Let's see how it looks like. This is decision time. If we select that and select this mileage, so the cost, that's the cost of the car, and that's what we get for our mileage. If I click on this, that gives us that and that. Or maybe select it all. Let's click on total right there. Okay, as you can see, you add these together and get this. So let's see if the receipt work. The receipt is working apart from this excess line, and here they're supposed to be. Alright, let's come into the receipt and take care of that's supposed to be carriage return here. \n, and let's delete maybe about 4 here, another 4 here. So let's try that again. Alright, so enter a customer name there. Let's say the customer name is Julie Moore, and Julie Moore lives in 8 Hillside. Telephone number of Julie Moore. And what car is she going for? Bugatti. Does she have any mileage? No, she wants a brand new car, and she wants all the necessary accessories. Click on total, that's fine. And receipts, there we go. I think here there's something meant to be there. Yeah. So I still haven't got that right. So let's go back. We have to start it again. Come right here. There's supposed to be another carriage return here. Yeah. Right. Good. Now, once again. There we go. So Julie Moore. Let's continue ourselves, and address maybe 3 Hill Town. And here we have the postcode telephone number. Okay, what car is you going for? Bugatti, no mileage. All the accessories required. Click on total, reset. There we go. So guys, with this I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial, but just before I leave, let me show you guys the codes one more time. Come right down here, form load. We enter as follows: ComboBox, enter the following for the ComboBox. For the car ComboBox, for the second trading ComboBox, exit button. Let's move that away so that you can see the exit button properly. And here, those are the reset lines of codes. And here, reset lines of codes. Okay, for the check buttons, I have about 5 of those. And right here, the total. Okay, so let's enter another customer's details. Let's say that is Paul Owen. 7. Let's see, where does Paul lives? Kingsland Road. And U-Box XX, telephone number. Alright, what kind of car do I want? Here, let's go for Rolls Royce. Okay, maybe, yeah, why not Rolls Royce? Mileage, no, I want a brand new car too. So I want all of these accessories, and maybe take this off and just click on total, reset. There we go, guys. So with that, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed, so you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.